It's nice to see you. So tell me what brings you to this event tonight.
The Genesis Awards. I've been doing this show for years and years and years. It's just such a good night. You get all these amazing people that are come here to just use their voice, use their time, use their money, use their energy, use their social networking to benefit the protection of animals. It's just it's a good group. Always a great night.
How did you get involved?
I'm a loudmouth animal rescuer. I have always worked for animal rescue and animal rights for a long time. So they call me right away.
What's the easiest way for people to get involved?
One of my big things is animal rescue. I really believe in it so much. Like, please don't go to a breeder. And my new thing is because of NCIS, we did an episode about military working dogs and police dogs. And we just do not have the funding for our military dogs to have the Kevlar vest that they need. And it's a big problem. So I've really been kind of putting it out on Twitter and everything to just sort of, you don't have to be able to buy a whole vest, but if you just donate, we can get these dogs. They're going out into battle with no protection. And they're part of our team, you know, they're amazing. And our police dogs are arson dogs, like all of that. Just to try to, I know that if we all come together, we can get all these dogs the vest they need.
They need bulletproof vests too, huh?
They do, and fireproof vests if you're arson dog, yes.
Cool. Tell us about NCIS. How's the show going and what people can expect?
We're 10 and a half years on NCIS, #1 show in the world, 200 countries, 20 languages. It's just amazing. There's not a single day I don't wake up and I'm not just grateful. We're still having so much fun. I'm a huge TV addict, and it's my favorite show. So I watch the marathons. I watch it over and over again. It's an amazing moment in television history.
Now, do you have any rescues of your own?
I always have rescues. I've got a special needs dog at home that has brain damage, which is a full-time job, and we just rescued 2 sisters. Their mom was a pregnant dump, and then so they were born in the rescue. So we got those, which is a whole other energy set. And I had my cat that was 22. I just lost him to cancer, and then I had another little corgi mix that I just lost to cancer. So it's been kind of like a rough, and then but we have the new ones. But it's they make your life. I just got distracted by your dog shirt.
Yes.
Awesome.
My Doxy shirt.
Awesome.
I love them. So, well, thank you so much for stopping by. Have fun tonight. Everyone